Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how we can make our local system, or basically if we have any website on our local system to be available through the internet, like we are going to upload that to the internet. So basically we are going to make our local IP address available on the public IP address. So for that, here you can see I have this one of the sample website which says this is a real website. Basically this is not a real website, just a local system website. So here I am going to make it publicly available. So I will just go to this Ngrok, and here you can see this is the official Ngrok website. Just hit the sign up button, and here just provide all the details that they are asking, like just name, email, password, and all the just basic details, and that surely the robot as well. Yeah, so just provide all the details and sign up, or you can just simply sign up through GitHub or through Gmail. Like if you have any Gmail account, you can log in through that as well. So this is how the homepage of this Ngrok looks like. Here you can see we have unzip to install, like how we can unzip the zip file, and we can connect your account. Like basically we need to provide our authentication key as well. So here just download this Ngrok from this download for Windows. So if you are using Windows, just download from here. Otherwise we have all other options as well. So once it will be downloaded, just extract that zip file. So I have already extracted that, so I will just open this, and here ngrok.exe. So this is basically a executable file. I will just open that, and here you can see several options. You can also find these options through Ngrok help. So basically here what we need to do is we need to make our local IP address, that means localhost, to be available on the internet. So for that, just provide the authentication token. So from the web page only you can copy that and paste it over here. So in the configuration file it will set the authentication key. So that basically means that this account is now attached to this Ngrok. So now I will just provide Ngrok HTTP 80. So basically my local host is running on 80 port, so by default, so I will just provide Ngrok HTTP 80. So here you can see it is running and online. So now I will just access that URL which Ngrok provided me. Here you can see just click on visit site. Here you can see this is real website. So basically our localhost website is now publicly available on the internet. So anyone from anywhere around the world can access this website through this link. So that's how basically we can make our local website available on the internet, or we can just upload on the internet. So definitely its speed will vary, like the site load time will vary as per your system capacity. So this is not an ideal way to host your website, but if you want to show some demo website to any client, or if you want to just like basically just need to give a URL to someone to show like what's your website look like, so you can use this as well. So if you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such video.